In this video, I will show you how to remove the vent panel from the wall. The process is very easy, so follow along carefully. First, disarm the panel. This helps prevent any false alarms while you disconnect it. Once the panel is fully disarmed, unplug its power source from the nearby outlet. The wire usually runs through the wall, so make sure it is completely disconnected from power. Next, remove the smart hub from the mount. Push gently but firmly against the panel and slide the face upward until it comes off completely. If you hear beeping, do not worry. That is normal while it is disconnecting from the main wiring and clips. After that, remove the battery. Press the small tab on the left side, then pull the battery up toward you. This will fully power down the panel. Set the panel aside once the battery is removed. Now go to the mount itself and gently press the two black tabs in the middle to release the power cord from the mounting. Pull all the wires down and out through the wall. Then remove the screws from the screw holes using a screwdriver. Take out all of them carefully. After the screws are removed, gently pull the power wire out through the wall at the outlet end. If needed, remove the outlet cover first so you can pull the wire out more easily. Once everything is removed, reassemble the panel and set it aside. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials.